In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Cheddar Drop Biscuits. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose baking mix, a half a teaspoon of garlic, a half a teaspoon of oregano, 3/4 of a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, and some sharp cheddar cheese. You're going to need 3/4 of a cup of shredded cheese. Fresh grated cheese always tastes better than the back stuff. Now combine the baking mix with the cheese. Make a well in the middle to pour the milk in. Now mix everything together until the dry ingredients are moistened. Next, spray a baking sheet with non-stick cooking spray. Now scoop the dough into heaping tablespoonfuls and drop on the baking sheet. Bake in an oven that's been preheated to 450 degrees for 8 minutes or until they are golden brown. Melt the butter in a microwave and then stir in the oregano and garlic powder. Now you're going to brush the seasoned butter over the biscuits. These are fast and super easy to make, and they are a great complement to the dinner. If you do try to make these, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.